This can kill you or seriously injure you. Sadly, I know from firsthand experience. Let's talk. Hey everybody, Tim from Midwest Mentors here. You know, this garage door looks, pretty safe, right? But I can tell you that there are 20 to 30,000 people a year that are injured by their garage door. This is the number one culprit right here, your garage door spring. It happened to me. It broke on me one time and I thought, I'll just fix it. I'll go out to YouTube and I'll look for a video on how to fix it. DED, don't ever do that. There are some jobs that need to be left to professionals. Changing a broken garage door spring is one of those. This thing almost cut all of my fingers off on my left hand. It could have been bad. Anything that you see that has red hardware on it, don't touch it. Don't do anything with it. Now you do need to do maintenance twice a year on your garage door, especially your garage door spring. This is the best product I've found for it. Now you might be tempted to get your WD-40 can out and use that. Don't use that. That's a nice company, but don't use that for this. You need something specifically designed for this. Now you can see here, I'm spraying in the middle of the spring. I'm avoiding spraying at the ends there. You don't want those points to move, so you don't want to lubricate them. There's some other points you need to spray as well, the hinges, and I use a paper towel to collect it, make sure it doesn't get messy and everything, but you have a bunch of hinges on both sides and in the middle, and it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward as to what to do. Now remember, don't do anything on the tracks that the rollers roll in. You don't want anything there. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe. It really helps us out. Here at Midwest Mentors, we want to share the mistakes that we've made so you don't have to make them too. Thanks everybody. God bless.